President Draupadi Murmu launched key initiatives for senior citizens at Aging with Dignity event at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Speaking on the occasion, the President said that in today's competitive and quick-paced life, the support, inspiration and guidance of senior citizens is extremely important for our younger generation. The event organized by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment witnessed the launch of the Senior Citizens Welfare Portal, the virtual inauguration of senior citizens' homes and distribution of assistive devices. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated and laid the foundation stone for key development projects worth 58,000 crore rupees in Amravati, Andhra Pradesh. Addressing the gathering, the Prime Minister said that the development works will strengthen infrastructure and accelerate the growth of Andhra Pradesh. Prime Minister also dedicated the country's first semi-automated port Vizhinjam International Deepwater Multipurpose Seaport worth 8,800 crore rupees to the nation in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. He said that it is a significant step forward in the development of India's maritime infrastructure. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar co-chaired the Global Media Dialogue along with the Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav at World Audio Visual and Entertainment Summit 2025 at the Geo World Convention Center in Mumbai. Speaking on the occasion, the minister said that the summit brings together content creators, policy makers, actors, writers, producers and visual artists on a common platform for discussing a future roadmap for the media and entertainment sector. Union Culture and Tourism Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat inaugurated the 14th Open Seminar on India, the land of exponential growth at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi. Speaking on the occasion, the minister emphasized that India possesses the right potential, necessary infrastructure, and a robust market, positioning it as a land of unprecedented possibilities. Union Minister of State for Science and Technology and Earth Sciences Dr. Jitendra Singh addressed the 55th Foundation Day of the Department of Science and Technology in New Delhi. During his address, the minister hailed DST's efforts in nurturing a nationwide research ecosystem, particularly through mission mode programs such as the National Supercomputing Mission, Cyber Physical Systems, and the recent National Quantum Mission.